Hey everyone, we are just arriving at Wilson's Road. Gonna go up Muriwai for a fish. We've got a low tide about 4:30. We're about 1:30 at the moment, so I'm gonna head up the beach and see how it goes. Last sunny day for a while. We've got a bit of bad weather coming in, so I thought, what the hell? Let's go make this happen. See if we can catch some fish. As usual, guys, make sure you got your permit. Always keep it on your phone. Easy enough if anyone ever asks you. So there's your next sign: vehicles with rego and warrant only on the beach. And another one which says driver complaints. Hopefully nobody gets complaints against them, eh? Alright, we'll head down here along the side of the lake as usual. You'll get to see the part of the forest this time that was harvested about, I think it was around about January actually. So it shows how long it's been since I've been up this end again. Track's in pretty good condition so far. So if you've seen some of our other videos of Wilson's Road, you won't recognise this bit, bar the big hill. All the trees have been cut down, all gone. And now we're just into big open area. I don't think they've replanted yet either. Anyway, still good access to the beach, eh? Can't complain of that. We've still got it. Certainly not as pretty as it used to be. Anyway, get back into the trees down here a bit. And nothing happening at the bombing range at the moment, which is good. So nothing's closed. We're straight into access on the beach. Up and over we go. Awesome, guys. Tide's out enough to find a spot to fish, and it is calm. Man, that is flat. Incredibly flat out there. Yep, see quite a few fishermen already up here, eh? Certainly the right time of day, on the right day for the weather. Alright, I think we will head south. I'm not sure we're going to have to travel that far actually to get a decent spot. Alright, we're away down the beach. haven't seen Muriwai this flat in a long time, guys. Amazingly calm. Like I say, there's a few guys set up fishing already. I guess I'm going to have to probably put my shorts on for this, so I'm going to get wet otherwise. Wet pants. I hate it when you see a spot that looks good and you think to yourself, well, is there a better one a bit further down? And that's what I've just done. So let's hope there's something a bit better down here. Okay, we're going fishing. Wish me luck. Well, the fishing's been a bit of a bust, I'm afraid. Not Not much happening, but I have found one more spot. I'm going to give it a go before the sun comes right down, and then we will probably cruise on home. Just a cheeky little afternoon off work, eh? Nothing wrong with that. Look at that sun, that's awesome, isn't it? Alrighty, we're going to sit in there, I think. Turn the truck around and bait up, and away we go again. Well, I think that's it. You're going to get it a lot further into the surf than I'm prepared to go, I think. Light's going down anyway, and I've got to be somewhere else tonight. So I've got Muriwai's down there, probably about 5k away, I suppose. I'm going to pack up the fishing gear. Dogs have been out for a run. Haven't got any of that in video. They've had a great time playing in the sand dunes and things before. You see cars coming down the beach again now. Four-wheel drive's got the lights on, so the light's starting to go down. 5 o'clock on the dot. There you go, 1 minute past 5. So I've got to be somewhere tonight, so I'm going to head home and get cleaned up and get out. All right, let's get down the beach. Alrighty, moving out. See the lights going down a bit, and it's getting cold. Still quite a few people fishing up the beach. It's been a busy afternoon actually. I think a lot of people have skived off of work today. It's just that perfect time of the year for getting up here and doing this. Tell you what though, there's some guys, they've walked right out on the sandbars, eh? Once they're out on the sandbars, these guys here before, they were right out in the water, looking really deep. So I'm not prepared to get freezing cold, so yeah, good luck to them. I'd say they're probably catching more fish than me though. Alright, let's get back down the beach, and once I'm off the beach I'll find somewhere to air up, I think, before I go home. Don't want to be driving on these pressures. I always let them down, as you know. I went to about 20 in the back, 18 in the front today. Just don't ever want to have the chance of getting stuck anywhere, or even hitting a soft patch while you're down by the beach fishing, you know. Rarely happens, but it does. You search YouTube, you'll find a few guys that have gone under. Alright, let's get on down the beach, eh? Okay, we're just arriving at the creek down at Muriwai end. 30k an hour, that's where it starts. So I'm going to sign off here, guys. We are going to head up the car park, air up, and get out of here. 5:30, the light's going down, flat calm out there. Past a few boats that, you know, on trailers. There's been guys launching their boats out here today. It's that flat. So that's a pretty big thing for Muriwai. Anyway, we're at the creek, so I'll sign off, and short video this time. Hope we'll get back to something decent and some winter trips coming pretty soon. Alrighty. Thanks, guys. See you later. What do you think, Henry? Did you enjoy your sand dune run, mate? Oh, you're not talking to me. I can see you, Dust. Hi. You still look puffed from it, Dust, running around like a fool.